Welcome to the home of Muraspec wall coverings, here in Tonbridge, Kent. We've been here a while, since 1850 in fact. Here at Muraspec, we're not just interested in design. You could say we're obsessed by it. Design is at the heart of everything we do. And everything we make. Our design, innovation and manufacturing all takes place right here on site in Kent. Experienced manufacturing team bring the same care and attention to making those designs a reality as our design team do in creating them. So with Muraspec, you know you're getting the very best bespoke product, tailored by experts to fit your precise needs. Muraspec wall coverings. Seen on the world's best dress walls.